What's up, guys? This is the ride compilation from my little West Virginia trip last weekend. We were in like the Buffalo Mountain area mostly. We also went up and did some of the Rock House stuff and Bear Wallow and stuff around there. And we did some Outlaw trails too. If you want more footage, there's a lot of longer videos of this ride on the Patreon page. This is kind of just the highlights because this channel is more mudding focused. But there's not a ton of mudding, spoiler alert. So I got to talk over some copyrighted music real quick. We didn't find that much mud, but what we did find, the Talon was able to go through on stock tires. This one does have about a 2-inch lift from cranking up the preload. So I had to saw it a little bit, but it made it through no problem. That Razor is really impressive. It's super Gucci interior, a lot of neat features. Check out that Razor Turbo Pro when you get a chance. You didn't even drag. Back up a little bit. You got it.
You've been sliding.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks awesome. Yo, we got that, didn't we? Please excuse the finger in a few of these shots. My social media manager was wasted. So one thing I came to realize on this trip is that the live valves are definitely sprung softer. Watch how much this thing flexes. It really just makes everything look easy because it never lifts a tire, so it's got so much front end flex. But both of the live valves in our group had slightly wider offsets, which means the suspension was sagging a good bit. I think I actually had more ground clearance on stock tires with the preload cranked up a little bit. So this is Bald Knob, definitely the most steep, rocky, sketchy thing we did. This is Benji going up in his 4-seater Razor Pro Turbo. Totally cheating. One thing we realized here is that the Polaris front diff is superior to the Talons for these uphill rock climbs because it locks in immediately. Hate to say it, but the Talon front diff isn't great for this sort of stuff.
Look at that Talon flexing.
So Jimmy was the first brave soul to attempt this in a non-4-seater after that massive Razor went up it, and struggled a little bit. I think primarily because he was in low range automatic instead of manual mode, so he was short shifting a little bit. But watch how easy this little Polaris goes up after him. That really surprised us because it's such a short wheelbase.
He's doing good.
So this General is fully loaded with Fox shocks and stuff, but it doesn't have the suspension travel of a Talon, and it went right up it because the front demand drive Hillard differential on these Polarises is awesome for this. I don't like them in mud and water. They wear out quick, but man, for this sort of thing, that front differential rocks. So here's my run at low range manual mode, bone stock Talon R on effectively 27-inch tires. And I made it look fairly easy, but I had to carry a lot of momentum. And as you'll see, I also fucked something up.
Look at him. Oh, it busted a tire.
Frickin' professional.
No?
Almost.
I'm in high.
Your winch has 2 speeds?
Yeah.
What is that witchcraft?
Hell, really?
Damn, you gotta make us look bad all the time, Benji. Fucking mint.
I don't want Jimmy. Oh, it's another happy picture.
So as usual, it's really hard to capture and depict how steep these trails are, but if you watch this razor in front of me, he's going as slow as he can and he's rolling on these rocks and basically doing stoppies the whole way down. So side-by-sides are allowed on roads in West Virginia, but I think we may have gotten down to some non-approved highways, but no one gave us a hard time. We were a little confused. Pay attention to the suspension deflections on these two models right here. This is a 2022 non-live valve versus a live valve.
Yeah, put your left tires on that ridge. Yep. Nice and easy. You can follow into it now. As slow as you can. Look more towards me. Real slow. Very nice. Roll through. Real slow. Yep.